Hello guys, welcome one more time to our channel Baby Lifestyle. And today is important because I have my husband helping me. My name is Gina, this is Landon, and Mia. Mia, say hi. Hi. We are gonna open a box and do a review about a baby shark vacuum for toddlers. We're gonna open it and see how it looks like. I got it from Walmart and it costs $25 plus tax. Okay, ready?
Ready.
Wow, look at that, Sadie. What is it? It's a baby shark vacuum.
Yeah.
Oh, isn't that cute?
Baby shark.
Turn around and see it.
Baby shark.
Oh, okay. Well, let's open it. Are good? Yeah. Are you gonna help me to do the vacuum? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see it.
All right, we have instructions.
Ooh.
We have a warranty.
Oh, is there small?
Vacuum with the battery thing on the back.
Right.
I'm sure this probably goes like in here, probably like that.
Yeah, it's supposed to be adjustable.
Oh, and I think the batteries are on the bottom. I'm gonna have to cut to get to the bottom to get to the. That's weird. Usually batteries don't come with these things.
Well, this is rechargeable. It's
rechargeable batteries?
yeah.
What?
It's supposed to be.
Really?
Yeah.
That's gonna save money on batteries.
Yeah, that's why I got it. Okay, this is the quick start guide. Okay. And it comes it says, alright, I'm gonna read this really quick. And it has a gift card, $5. Okay.
I need to get a screwdriver.
Screwdriver? Okay. I see.
Take a look at our screwdriver. Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
oh no. There are another screwdrivers. We have different ones.
Oh.
Do you need another one?
No.
It's gonna do the job?
Hey, dirty
Okay.
screwdriver is just as good as a clean screwdriver.
Okay. I don't know why is that so dirty.
Yeah. Alright, so you gotta unscrew this thing like 30 times. I should have got the power drill. Ooh-wee.
Well, what's tough?
God. I tell you what, they don't want you getting into this battery compartment.
Okay.
I was like 50% thinking that it was gonna break. Like, I'm really shocked that one of these little things didn't break off. Now, does it go in like this, or does it go in
Well,
like
check
this?
the quick start.
Hey, I could do that, or I could just. There's a 50-50 shot. Okay, now if there's a 50-50 shot, there's a 50-50 shot. You got to take it.
Well, there's a picture in the manual. It's very easy. See?
I think it worked. I think it's good. Let's see.
Okay. Oh! Oh! Okay.
Wow, Mia, look
Okay.
at that.
Oh! Alright, I have something to try it on the floor.
Ready?
Okay, yeah.
Go.
Oh. See?
Look at that, man. Oh.
Well, let's try on the floor and see.
All right,
You can-
let me put the battery pack.
Yeah.
in.
Because this is supposed to suck a little bit.
Is that a baby shark?
Yeah, sweetie. So let's see. Okay, so this is the cable to charge the battery, and it comes with this, like a ring. It's supposed to go like over here. Can you try to put it, please? Okay, it's supposed to be adjustable. It goes up and down. Oh, nice. Okay, yeah.
You charge it right here.
Try again. It's not turning on. I guess it's for safety. That's pretty cool. I like it. Now disconnect it. Let's see. Oh, I see that. It didn't turn on when it was connected. Alright. That's cool. Oh, see? Alright. There you go. Off. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this little trash
That's all right.
paper, but we can do it on the floor, on the carpet, and see if that works. Let's try this. Let's see that. Can you try? Let me do this for you, okay? It's not sucking it. Is
It's
it
not
sucking
sucking it.
I don't know. It says it should do it.
Mia, is it sucking it? Mimosa, is it sucking it? It is sucking it? Well, it certainly does suck.
Well,
But
this.
it's okay. It
Yeah,
can.
no, look.
Oh,
Can you see
it
it? It's getting something.
is it
It's supposed to have something in.
in here?
Yeah, there will they keep the trash. Let's see. Let's do that. Let's do it. Let's try again. Do you like
Alright.
it? Are you gonna help Mama? Yes? Okay, hold on. You wanna do it? Try, baby.
It's cool. The
let's
music
try.
and the little spinny things is cool, and
Let's see.
the being it rechargeable is
Let me
nice,
open it here. Hold on one
and it was easy to put together.
Hold on, sweetie. This is supposed
It's
to be...
just I don't think you could actually use it to vacuum.
Look. This gonna... Are you... It's gonna... It is
Oh.
vacuuming.
Oh,
See?
okay.
It is vacuuming.
Okay, well it's enough. It's enough
It's
for
enough.
the concept of
For a toddler.
toddler helping to
You
vacuum.
see? It's soaking it, sweetie.
It is.
So it means it works.
It's working.
Papa,
And now,
You want to try again?
and now you can help Mama vacuum, sweetie.
Okay, try.
All right, let's do it.
Try it.
All right.
Let's see.
You like it, Mia? Yeah.
It's nice. What is it?
That's it. All right. And that is Baby Shark Vacuum. I give it like a 9 out of a 10. It loses a point for the battery being so difficult to put in. And that's about it.
Yeah, good. Okay, so Let's,
How much was it?
It was 25 plus tax.
All right,
A little
25.
pricey,
25 plus
fine.
tax isn't too much for that. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, right?
And it's giving her, like, good, good morals, I guess, to help clean.
Oh yeah, well,
Yeah.
to teach her.
To
a little
teach,
bit,
to
and
teach.
She can be help.
And it'll give her self-confidence if she can help mama vacuum.
So the Baby Shark song is, a lot of kids like the Baby Shark song.
Uh-huh.
So to motivate her.
Yeah.
Just like it.
So from 1 to 10, 10 being the best, what would you give it?
I think 8.
An 8. And why did you lose? Why isn't it a 10? What made it lose 2 points?
Because it's kind of short.
It is short, and that's the highest extension too. It doesn't extend any higher than that.
Yeah, I was expecting a little bit higher. And she's 3. She's 3 years old, so.
What does the box say as far as age? Okay, the box says 2+, so you can be a pretty young child to use this. So I would say like
Like this. Here, this is it.
4 and over. Be advised, the handle is a tad bit on the short side.
It's not bad.
So that's it. All right.
She
Well,
can use it for probably a year until she lost interest.
so you can use it for a year. All right, so if you break that down into months, it's $2 a month. So it's a $2 a month investment if you want to get technical about it. If you want to look at the investment side of things. All right. And then if you were to turn around and sell it, you could probably sell it for like 10 or 15 bucks. So it's only a $1 a month investment in the long run.
Okay, well, but I think this is a very pretty good gift for a kid.
I think it is a pretty good gift.
For what, like 2 years old, since 2
Yeah,
years old probably,
yeah.
and up.
Yeah, I say if we reach 5,000 views on this thing, that in a year, we can mark down the date that we posted on YouTube. In a year, if this thing gets 5,000 views, then we can do some sort of a contest to where we can give it away to somebody.
Okay,
Yeah.
just a question. Do you show my socks difference?
Oh God.
No, you.
Did you just
don't
realize
have
that?
to.
Did you just realize that?
I just realized that.
That-
But it is a reason why it's like that.
Okay.
I hurt my foot,
All right.
so that's why.
Uh-huh.
It's no. I'm a
Sa-
little bit crazy, but this is for a reason.
It sounds like somebody's taking the excuse train to Excuseville. Toot toot.
I heard 2 days ago. I twisted my ankle.
Oh, okay. So the medical fix for this is to wear a pink sock. So anybody out there, if you hurt your foot, the medical fix for this
And have vapor rub,
is a pink sock.
and a vapor rub.
Oh, and vapor rub. Very important, vapor rub. Which actually my boss did tell me that you're supposed to use vapor rub if you hurt your ankle yesterday. So,
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
So I did the right thing.
Yeah.
My mama gave me the.
oh, all right. Well, shout out to Gina's mom.
Alright.
All right.
Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. And
She's liking it. Look at her. She's still going.
she's still going.
5 minutes in.
Wow.
Like a little trooper. A little vacuum trooper. All right.
Yeah. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hey, sweetie.
Again.